5 minutes, I guess.
Yes.
Yes.
Exactly. Welcome. Here we have the agenda. I will take you through why we decided to have the workshop done, and then the process and how we did it, and going over the result, and also how we go from here. Why did we decide to have the yield workshop? Well, we saw good saving potential in product leakages from conveyors, machines, and also simply in the way of working in the factory. And what we did was, first of all, to design 3 different teams. We have one, all containing representatives from the production line, maintenance, supply, controlling, and quality. From there, we had to map the leakage points and how much leakage did we have on each machine. What's the value? What's the cost? And the way to do this was to inform the operators not to clean the machines for 10 hours. And after these 10 hours, the different teams went down to the machines, starting weighing each leakage. And also pinpointing here on these maps of the machines on where they found the leakage, and also giving the same number in the PDCA list, describing what the problem is, and coming with a proposal of a solution, if they had any. What this gave us was data we needed to calculate the cost of each yield loss. So we could use these charts with where each post note is 1 yield loss. So the number you see here is also represented here on the map. And don't mind the colors. We have 3 colors, and there's G for giant, F for flip top, and so on. But the number is also on the map and in the PDCA list. As you can see, here we have saving, and here time. How long does it take, or how much does it cost to fix the problem, fix the leakage?
And the saving is related to the amount of material you found.
Exactly.
During the 10 hours.
Exactly. Yes. So we have, you see here, not very high saving, but very easy to do. So we did focus on and prioritize on the left side of the charts, because this could take maybe up to a year to fix, so on, or also very expensive to do. So we prioritize on the left side, and the result of this was we had a potential saving of 225k euros, and in 3 weeks we have an implemented saving of 150k euros. And the interesting part here is we have also taken these PDCAs and transformed it into these charts. This is technical solutions to leakages. And this one is way of working, simply. Creating OPLs for the operators to follow. And the red ones here are down prioritized, so very low saving. That was the result.
And we have gone through more or less both processing lines and the most important packaging lines.
Yeah, exactly. All the way through the factory. But the interesting thing is we had simply the way of working gave us a yearly saving of Swedish crowns, 1 million, 1.1.
1K.
Yeah, 100K. So simply by changing the way of work, we save that amount of money. Really fascinating.
So no investments at all?
Yeah, of course, investments. Here we have technical solutions, but we have also really expensive investments to do. But it will take time to do them, of course.
Do we have some of them in our capex plan for next year? Do you know that?
We have one of them is from the GA line, the drum from what was it? From Italy factory. We're gonna get it, but it costs money to install. So that's one thing. And then we have the Yield 4, another project that will start this spring, I think, to control the leftover points. So we won't forget this. We will take them.
Who is responsible to follow up these actions now? I mean, the workshop is done.
Wait a minute. Next step.
Time is coming.
Yes. We are just about to implement. Continuous monitoring system, where we on each machine and on every shift weigh any found yield losses, leakages on the machines, and document this, and then on a monthly basis the pillar owner will go through the data and see where the problem is, if we have any problem, and where. So they will react directly to fix the problem. So we don't need to do another workshop. So we just can have a continuous work doing it all the time.
Any questions to Per?
We done it twice, not the same in the same way. It's more focused on the losses we had done on production from the beginning and the big losses in the kitchen a year ago. Or?
Yeah, the kitchen, yes.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And then after half a year, we sensed that we lost some of the development. So I think if you do things like this, you need to do it again and again and again. You can't just do it once and then, yeah. Now we'll
What we
take
did
care
wrong
of it.
that time was not to have the follow-up. I think that's very important.
So now we plan to have a follow-up.
Yeah, every month.
Every month.
Yeah.
Just continue.
Exactly.
So, thank you very much, Per.
Thank
Now
you.
we're going to the 5S office area. So, follow me.